16-foot Spectrum fish and ski kind of trolling motor. We're gonna see if this thing runs. Hasn't been started in at least 3 years. As you can tell, it needs a new carpet. Oh, we got storage here, fuel tanks underneath, battery compartment. So we went ahead and threw a battery in this thing, and believe it or not, horn works, bilge pump works, and it cranks over. So we took this line, which is going to the carburetor, through the fuel pump. So it goes tank, fuel pump, this goes to the carb. We're gonna drain this end, and we got the fuel hooked up to an auxiliary. We're gonna pump fuel in till we see new fuel. It worked. On separate gas. Good bubbles. I did, you know, what I always do, where I say I'm just gonna come in and put carpet on it and call it a day. If you look here, my foot went through it, and this is a live well, and it's gotta go. I'm gonna redo all of it. Is it worth doing? Yeah, why not? Just water hides everywhere when you don't let your boats dry out. What a bad design. There's no drain on that. That's just a cup. It's just holding the water. Oh yeah. Healthy. All the places where the sun doesn't shine. Oh. Whew. Ugh. So I just tore this up. No foam in here. Everything drains to the back of the boat, right? Come over here. There's just water pooled up. I mean, this thing was bound to rot. Alright, so I just spread this stuff all over the old paint and it seems to be scraping fine, so I'm going to take the pressure washer and try to get rid of all the old glue.
Does anybody need a boat? 1,500 our best offer. It ain't got no rod, doesn't run, but it ran when parked. It works great.
So it's all done, it's all stripped. What's going on, buddy? Everything is completely stripped from the boat. I hate to do a part 1 and 2, but that's what I'm gonna have to do. I am 2 months into this project now, and I am still waiting on more stuff to come. So till then, you're getting just the part 1, and I will come out with the second part here, hopefully in the next couple weeks or a month, and this thing will be ready to go and back on the water. So until the next one.